You told yourself it was just one, just to take the edge off. But here you are, again, lighting up another one. Not because you enjoy it, but because now, it owns you. You've tried to quit, maybe once, maybe 10 times, but the cravings come back. The mood swings, the frustration, the pressure. But what if this time was different? Break free from smoking isn't about cold turkey guilt trips or scare tactics. It's about a clear, supportive, step-by-step path that helps you understand your habit, so you can finally beat it. In this powerful guide, you'll learn 1. How to gather the right information, not myths or fear. 2. Why setting a simple timeline today can trigger real change. 3. How to take each day, each urge, as it comes. 4. Smart ways to dodge withdrawal and emotional side effects. 5. Tools and daily motivation to stay strong, even when life hits hard. You deserve your health back, your breath, your energy, your freedom. Click the link below to download Break Free from Smoking now. The next cigarette doesn't have to be yours. Make today the first day you fight back and win.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.